words. This is video number 5 in a 6-video series. This video will help you with the fill in the blanks question and read and complete. So today we'll look at 3 different techniques that will help you for both of these question types on the Duolingo English test. Technique number 1, context clues. Make sure you read the whole sentence before filling in the missing letters of the word. Take a look at this sample sentence. I was able to catch a glimpse of the president as his motorcade passed by. When we think of glimpse, it's a momentary or partial view, so we catch a glimpse of the president. So we fill in the letters CH, catch a glimpse of the president. Technique number 2, try to predict the word type. This narrows down your options and makes it easier in the event that you have to guess the word. Take a look. He tried to man the situation calmly. Does this blank require a noun, a verb, an adjective? And we can understand here it requires a verb. So based on that, we can understand that it's manage. We type in AGE, manage the situation. Technique number 3, look for common suffixes. Remember that you'll always have the letters in the beginning of the word. We're looking for letters that are missing at the end of the word, so we're focusing on suffixes. Let's take a look at this sample sentence. Without any support, he felt completely helped. How does the suffix modify it? Without any support, he had no support, he felt helpless. So we fill in LESS. The first 3 letters of the word are provided, and you will need to complete the word based on the techniques. Try to use the techniques that we talked about today. So let's build your vocabulary. Grab a pen, a paper, or your iPad, and good luck. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you are interested in learning more and getting content like this and raising your score, don't forget to subscribe so I can continue making content. Now, a very helpful tip to prevent your mind from going blank and getting nervous while you're speaking is called Core Ideas, and check out that video right here.